Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How long does it take to get a replacement Social Security card? Luckily, it doesn't take a long time. Within 2 weeks after your application, you will receive your new card and can use it for whatever purpose.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To obtain a new Social Security number and card, you will need to provide at least 2 documents to prove age, identity, and U.S. citizenship or current immigration status. To obtain a replacement card, if lost or stolen, you must prove your identity and U.S. citizenship.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Social Security offices are currently open only for in-person appointments for limited, critical situations, depending upon local office conditions. However, you can continue to apply for a replacement Social Security card online and by mail. Most of the time, simply knowing your Social Security number is enough.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You can also provide the SSA with a telephone number, and the SSA will notify you telephonically of the SSN issuance before you receive your card in the mail. Another alternative is to call the SSA at 1-800-772-1213 and ask for your SSN.
Let's help you make your mark.
You need a Social Security number to apply for jobs, to open a credit card account, and even to get married. Having your Social Security card lost or stolen may expose you to identity theft and fraud, lost finances, and damaged credit.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.